I was not expecting that at all. This is not the place to record. I don't know why I did this. Good morning from Universal's Endless Summer Resort, Surfside. It's my day off. It's a good day already. It's about 10 in the morning. I slept in. I was planning on doing early park admission, but it was a busy week at work with the hurricane and everything else going on. I had inspections like crazy. I had meetings out the wazoo. So I worked over 70 hours last week. So I decided to sleep in today on my day off. I feel good. I feel refreshed. I feel a little bit heavy from the food I ate last night. We're gonna have to get back to being healthy soon. And let's see what the world looks like today. Good morning, world. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, like I said, and apparently it is 64 degrees outside, which is pretty cold. So right now, I'm packing up the room. I'm getting ready to leave. The goal right now is to get breakfast, something to eat, maybe stop at the Starbucks on the way out of here and get a cold brew and just go enjoy the day. I really want to start at Islands of Adventure first. Islands of Adventure is it is my favorite theme park of all time. I'm sorry. I love Disney, but for some reason, Islands of Adventure just hits me in the heart. I really think it's because probably a little bit of nostalgia. When Islands of Adventure opened up in 1999, my dad worked at the parks here. He worked at Portofino Bay Hotel. He opened up one of the restaurants there, and we got to do employee previews for it. So we got to go to the park before it opened up to the public. Just seeing the hype of it, I was 7 or 8 years old while the hype was like building up. We would see the construction, and we saw City Walk being built. We saw the parking structures being built. I don't know if anyone remembers this, but after the parking structures were built, before Islands of Adventure opened up, right where the security point is now, there was a massive hourglass with medallions at the front of each land. So there was Dr. Seuss, there was Jurassic Park, there was The Lost Continent, and there was sand in this giant hourglass, obviously. And the sand was ticking down, and the whole gimmick was once it was empty, the park would open up. So seeing that multiple times while we would go to the parks when I was a kid got me so hyped for it. The hype was really around Jurassic Park too. I'm a huge Jurassic Park fan ever since I was a kid, and rewatching movies now, it's one of my comfort things I put on the TV whenever I want. Or the original movies and Jurassic World. I love all the series. For some reason, I remember just being a 7-year-old kid and hearing, oh, Jurassic Park is gonna have a ride, Jurassic Park, and then there was just so much hype around that ride. So that's where I plan on going today. I also want to eat at Mythos. I haven't never eaten at Mythos before. Every year it wins like the best restaurant and theme park, so I'm definitely doing that today. They also have, for an appetizer, an octopus tentacle. And also the mega movie parade. I have tried to go see this parade multiple times in the last couple months, and every time I go it starts raining and it gets canceled. So I'm hoping that it doesn't rain today. It looks beautiful out. It looks clear. It looks beautiful. This is like the most perfect Florida day. That's also the goal. It happens at 2 o'clock today. So I'm gonna go check it out. Oh, there's my ugly face. Packing up the last couple things. Does anybody else just take all the like toiletries and stuff from every hotel you stay at? I have a drawer just full of this stuff from multiple hotels that I've been to over the years that I probably never am going to use, but I always take it. I don't know why, but in the bag you go, bud. Goodbye, hotel room. You treated me well for one night. I love the smell of hotel in the morning. It smells like coffee. It smells like food. I'm gonna go check out the breakfast what they got at the Beach Break Cafe. So they have build your own parfaits, oatmeal with cheesy grits, sandwiches. Oh my gosh, a Belgian waffle sandwich. That looks amazing. Chicken and waffle sandwich. Yikes. And country breakfast, all American breakfast. I'm probably gonna get that. Oh, they have eggs Benedict. All right, so I got the all American breakfast because, USA, right? Happy 4th of July. Anyways, this comes with a biscuit. Breakfast potatoes that look so good. Those potatoes look phenomenal. It comes with sausage, it comes with bacon and scrambled eggs. I have got to start my diet again soon. I also saw these things of peanut butter over there. I'm a huge fan of peanut butter straight out of the jar, so I'm gonna chow down on those too. So breakfast absolutely demolished. It was good. You know what? I love hotel breakfast. Hotel breakfast is one of my favorite things in the world. When I used to travel for wrestling, I used to say, let's pick a hotel that has a great continental breakfast. Now, this wasn't continental, of course. It cost me money, but still very good. The potatoes were so good, probably my favorite part of this. And heading to the shuttle to go to the parks. Just like that, off the bus into City Walk. They got Morgan Wallen playing on the radio. And when the escalator backs up with everybody, you just take the stairs. And here we are, my favorite theme park in the world, Islands of Adventure. Oh man, I love it here. I love the aesthetic. I love this song playing right now. Sometimes plays in my apartment. And the adventure begins. I actually really love this sign. I love the font. I wish they sold something that I could hang up in my house with this on it. It's actually a beautiful day right now. It is 69 degrees. Hey.
Metaphorically 69.
I'm also a firm believer that Port of Entry here at Islands of Adventure has one of the best main entrances to any park. And legit, this is one of the best spots in any theme park I've ever been to. Of course, Islands of Adventure has the middle lagoon here, but there's this little spot over here that used to be a smoking area. I don't think it is anymore, that you can see every single land from. So you got Seuss Landing over there, Lost Continent over there, Hogsmeade over there, Jurassic Park over there.
That farmhouse, there.
Heading into Marvel Superhero Island. The lagoon is very blue today too. The music is blaring, which can only mean one thing. It can only mean that Spider-Man, Wolverine, Storm, they're on their way here. Storm, Wolverine, there goes Captain America over there. Spider-Man's out this way. You know what? Dr. Doom Fearfall is one of the most forgotten rides in this park, in my opinion, even though it is huge and you see it from the main road, I-4. No one really goes on it. So you know what? I'm gonna go ride Dr. Doom. Spooky. This queue is completely empty. I'm starting to think this is a walk-on. Oh man. He wants every drop of our fear. Oh, and these guys are back. So Dr. Doom's Fearfall, great. It's always great. Whoa, as Hulk goes by. I tried to record on the ride, but the guy did end up taking my phone, which I totally understand. Right now I'm in the back area of Marvel Superhero Island. This is another one of those spots that's just forgot about and no one comes by. Kind of like my Epcot spot, but this is where I come. I just get a Starbucks coffee. I come chill out here. You can get, again, just like the one spot I showed earlier, you can see everything. Everything's over here. You can see even a better look at Velocicoaster right there, across the way at Hogsmeade, and of course, the screaming people on Hulk. Nice. Checking out the hats here at Marvel Superhero Island, but like nothing really stands out to me. This one says Super Dad. I am not a dad. I have been called Super Daddy once. That was horrible. Forget I said that. Reign of Kong is only 15 minutes. I haven't done this ride in so long. You might as well just jump right in. Heading into Kong, and it's about to get super dark, but I love this queue. This queue is so well themed. It's creepy, it's dark, it's scary. There's animatronics, there's fire, there's flashing lights. It's actually really super creepy, but highly themed. I would say one of the best themed queues in any theme park as I'm walking past a giant wall of skulls. Also, I did get confirmation that I am allowed to record on this ride, just no flash, so that's a good thing. Oh, speaking of flash. just got off Kong. I like that ride. At first when it opened up years ago, it got a lot of bad reputation. It's enjoyable. It's my first time riding it without 3D too. I was not expecting that at all. Well, as I was walking behind the Jurassic Park River Adventure, it came down the chute there, and it got me soaked, and I was not expecting that at all. Anyways, first time riding Kong without 3D. I'll be honest, so I kind of liked it more. The perception's off a little bit, especially when you're transitioning from like screen to screen, where I think the 3D definitely enhanced it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm dry this time. This is not the place to record. I don't know why I did this. Velocicoaster is a 75-minute wait. As much as I want to do that, 75 minutes is way too long. And the single rider line is good there. It could be really good or it could be not good. So I might come back and try it out later, maybe after dinner. Now leaving Jurassic Park and entering a world, a wizarding world. And if you don't know what that is, what I meant was Hogsmeade. And the way you know that is by this sign right here. Welcome to Pig. Trademark. It's almost time for Hogsmeade to be all dressed up for Christmas. I cannot wait for that. Harry Potter section of the park always looks great dressed up in Christmas. Probably because of the snow. Hagrid's single rider line was closed and it was a 2-hour wait, so I'm gonna jump into Forbidden Journey and see if their single rider line is open. About to go to school. Back to Hogwarts. Single riders, that's me. This queue is cool because it legit makes you feel like you're walking through Hogwarts. Come on, let's go! Let's go! Come on! That's my impression of Harry during that ride, Forbidden Journey. He's just constantly saying, come on, follow me, let's go! Anyways, phenomenal ride. Love that ride. It's so good. And anytime I ride that ride, I feel extremely happy. Anyways, anyone else feel it's weird that when you pee in Hogsmeade, you could hear Moaning Myrtle talk? Yeah. 10-minute wait to take the train over to Universal to see the parade. Let's go. The AC in the London train station always hits. It's so good. Anyways, made it to Universal. 23 minutes till showtime for the parade. I am so excited. I can't believe the summer tribute store is still open. That's so crazy. Had no idea. I really thought they would be working on the Christmas tribute store by now, because I believe it was in this building last year. Found my spot for the Mega Movie Parade. Just sitting down, waiting for the show to start. So the Mega Movie Parade, fantastic. Probably one of the better parades in Orlando, actually, too. Really a step up from the Superstar Parade that Universal used to have. The floats were amazing. They were huge. They were gigantic. They were highly detailed. Very cool. Now I'm gonna go back to Islands of Adventure, walk through Seuss Landing, and I'm gonna go grab a bite at Mythos. Made it to Lost Continent. All right, here we are at Mythos. I'm gonna jump in, see if they have a spot for one. Looks like it's gonna be a quick wait for one. This is so cool. It smells good in here too.
Is it your first time here with us?
Yes, I've always wanted to eat here, so I'm gonna try it out.
Are you from Florida?
Yeah, I live in Winter Park. Awesome, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, took a peek at the menu. The menu looks really good. So there's the charred octopus that I'm gonna get definitely first. I think I'm gonna get this couscous bowl, something lighter. I've been eating really heavy lately, so I think that's gonna be good. The theming in here is awesome. I'm so glad I actually decided to do this today. I feel like Poseidon. All right, the charred octopus has arrived. This looks so good. I can't wait to dive in and try it out. All right, so I'm about halfway done with this. It is so delicious. It's so good. It almost tastes like a fish, you know, well, which makes sense, but the potatoes are cooked perfectly. The octopus tastes so good. The flavor on it is phenomenal. The chickpeas, I love chickpeas. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is exactly what I wanted. Chicken, couscous, artichoke parts, feta cheese. Oh my gosh. Dive in and make me happy. I've got to get some cool lights for over here, like some fun lights. Anyways, hey, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh my gosh, Michael, you got a haircut. And true statement, I did get a haircut. No more long hair. Anyways, hey, my last few clips got corrupted again. I'm gonna figure this out. There's definitely something I'm doing wrong where some of my final clips are always getting corrupted, but it's okay. It's fine. It was just me talking about the food I just ate, which was phenomenal. I loved Mythos, and I can't wait to go back to enjoy it more. Like I said, it was my first time there. Never in the 9 years of me being a pass holder at Universal have I ate there, and it was really good. Really fun, beautiful place, first of all. Service was phenomenal, and the food I ate. The octopus was so good. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to go back and have that too. High in protein, beautiful plating, just a very good dish, and as well as the couscous bowl I had with the chicken, the chickpeas, the olives. I love that kind of stuff. It kind of reminded me of like a fancier version of Cava. We have a restaurant down here in Orlando. I don't know if they're a big chain or not, but there's one right by my place called Cava. It's like a Greek style Chipotle. It's so good. It's one of my favorite spots where you can get not only good protein, but good quality food there too. And then after I ate, I pretty much called it a day. I left the park, I went back to my hotel, picked up my car, and came home. I probably drank some water. I don't think I took a shower. And I know I didn't pass out because it was midway through the day. But I enjoyed my time, obviously, at Universal. Staying in my first Universal hotel was great. I think it was a good first step into that. And I'm gonna make a little goal for myself to actually stay in more Universal hotels eventually. I've made my way through a lot of Disney hotels, so now I think I need to experience some of the Universal ones too. The ultimate dream would be Portofino. I want to stay there so bad. Gonna keep this short and simple. Thanks for joining me. Spooky season's over, and it's almost Christmas. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. Looking forward to doing Universal during Christmas time. Looking forward to Disney during Christmas time, and yeah, those are my next ventures out. So, I guess from here, I'm just gonna awkwardly say goodbye.